Just a second. Okay,
Hello, everyone.
you should now be able to share your screen. So yeah,
Okay.
over to you.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. I start. First of all, there's 35 people here. Hello, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. Okay, we start. Ayub, can you hear me? Your mic is muted.
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Ayub, your mic is muted. Can you talk?
Yeah, go ahead.
Your mic is muted from Zoom. What about you, Barky? Can you hear me?
Test.
Can you talk?
Can you hear me?
Okay.
It's working now?
Okay, yes, can hear you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. So today we're gonna represent our project portfolio Bike Hub. So the idea or how this project is about is a website where you are able to go and choose location that's close to you and rent a bike, and you're gonna get like a QR code of your renting. You're gonna pay online, and through that QR code, you go to a location where is the park where bike is, and you can unlock that bike through that QR code. So what you're gonna see is I'm gonna represent our team contribution that we did it, story of Bike Hub, technology, code snippet, timeline, challenges, what we learn, live demo, and question and answer. So our team, starting by myself, I'm full stack developer, but in this project, I was main focus on DevOps. And Ayub, go ahead,
Hello
Ayub.
guys. So my name is Ayub Gharbi. I am a full stack developer. So my role in this project is like a front end developer. So it's embarking to talk with. And also I hope to enjoy in this presentation.
Okay. Hey everyone, hopes you're doing well. I'm Barky3. My main role in this project is backend development, which mean providing a API like creating endpoints on front end to interact with, also managing database and adding authentication to protect our private routes and something like that. So hopes you like the app. Thanks.
By the way, they are amazing teammates to work with. And our contribution is like what we're going to see in next slide. Oh my God, that's too much. Okay, let's make it shorter. So Ayub was uh, responsible for front end, anything related to user interface, user experience, creating logo, color selection. Barkey was responsible for backend API authentication, creating data model. And for me, I was responsible for setup in servers, CID, CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, setup domain, integration of PayPal, Google authentication, email notification, and QR code generation. So the story of Bike Hub is very simple. We were forced by Alex to create this project, but it was fun. And during this brainstorming, what project we're gonna end up doing, we end up doing this renting a bike. I saw it in social media. Someone was renting the bike through his phone, and I found it cool. I like the idea, and I suggest to the team, and they like it, and we start developing it. And that's what this next slide gonna talk about is technology. So our technology starting with back end, I let Embarky talk about the back end.
So for the backend, we choose a couple of technologies based on which one that give us a pretty good developer experience, such like TypeScript, cutting down debugging time for Nest.js, keeping things organized and modular. Prisma connecting, it's connected with database for us. Like for JWT and Passport, on general security, we will see it in next slide, and so on. For the front end, I will let Ayub present it.
So, and in the front end, we created our project with using VGS to create a React app with TypeScript, and also in a UI component we using like Chakra UI components, and also Axios, Sweeper, and also React QR code. So we use like a control version. I really it's more safe to talk with it.
GitHub. So we use GitHub and Git, and for DevOps we use Windows servers. I'm joking. We use Linux, of course. No one use Windows servers. For like CE and CD, we use GitHub Action. GitHub Action did help us a lot. So we push the code to, for example, repo front end, and we merge it to div branch, and automatically GitHub Action take it and deploy it to the server, and we just access the domain. We use like Nginx. For server and domain, we use two server, Google Cloud and DigitalOcean. And for domain, we use Namecheap because it is cheap. And monitoring, we use Google Cloud, DigitalOcean monitoring, PM2 monitor, and the most one we use is Datadog. Now code snippet. What you think, Marky, about this code?
First, for the slide is the only slide is in dark mode. Thank you for doing that. So for the code, this snippet is about handling post requests when user try to log in. So in login method, we have the body of request that carry obviously the user credential, and for the response backend, you will try to set up the cookies with this four attributes. Like first one we have expire, which means lifetime of that token. Second one, same site, only accept the cookies that send it from our website. Third one, secure, which mean cookies only work with secure connection. In other meaning, HTTP work only with HTTPS. Fourth one is our gatekeeper to avoid malicious code in front end to access cookies and get the token. So in to explain it well, HTTP only will make only the backend will read the token. That's it. I guess we can move
Yeah.
to the next slide.
It is amazing. Okay, so next slide is timeline. During this project, it starts all from the day October 11 when I reached out to my team and to create this project. We start brainstorming the idea before the portfolio project, and October 16 we end up choosing the bike rental our project. So jumping to November 3 is when we start creating API data model and mockups. November 10 when we create Trello. Even we use it only one day, it was really helpful. In November 11 we choose Bike Hop as a name, and our first pull request was November 20. So how did we work or collaborate? We did that through Discord. We created a Discord server. We split many channels, each one for each, and we just keep updating each other, and we work separately. Each one have branch front and back end, and we have another branch for dev, and we have the main for production. So excuse me for typo there. December 20, this moment right now. So sorry. Next slide, we go with challenges. Of course, the first challenge we had is our Google Cloud got suspended 3 times. So the story is like we get notification from Google that we are cryptocurrency mining, and it was a very challenge to find out what's happening, why our server is down. Luckily, we have another server in DigitalOcean, so we keep working on that until we figure out that we had malware in our server that was coming from our mistake using a weak password for our database Postgres inside the Docker container. And this malware was just fetching in internet, and because our database is exposed to the internet, he could like hacked our server. We changed password and it was good. The second roadblock we found is payment. There's too many payments, hard to integrate with application. We end up using PayPal. We want to use Stripe, but it was blocking our country. So we end up using PayPal, and I really recommend it. It's very easy. They give you sandbox. It's very nice experience. The third conflict or like challenge was the conflict. To avoid conflict, there were 3 people working on the same project, and not like everyone specific on one team. Sometimes I jump help in the front end, sometimes it really help jump in front end. So the conflict will be high chance to do, but we choose GitHub Flow, split the branch using pull request, and it was really fun experience. What do we learn? We did learn many things because each technology we choose, it was a new one for us. We learn advanced TypeScript, strategy to store tokens, PM2, GitHub Action, and auth to O. So I'm gonna lead you with the live demo. Enough talking, show me what you built. So let's test if everyone can hear this. Let me open the chat. I'm gonna test audio really quick. Okay. Is the audio working? Type 1 in the chat, someone. Or Itri, if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, audio working?
Can you maybe start playing it? We'll just tell
Okay.
you. No, we can't hear it.
Okay.
You can't hear it.
We can't hear.
You can or we can't?
We can't.
We can.
Okay.
There is no sound.
So
Okay,
what you
once.
can do is probably stop sharing, then share again, and this time round share with audio. I think
Oh.
that's
Oh, yeah, I think that's the code. Okay. Oh, yes, I see it now. Thank you. Having some difficulty. Let me try again. Okay, let me play it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, can you hear
Yeah,
audio?
I can hear.
Oops. Sorry for this. Okay, play. Hey, welcome to. You can hear, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay.
Like hub. Let's make account. Oops. Nice. I got notification, email. I forgot password. Just kidding. I have profile, setting. No history yet. Setting. Let me add pull. Change it. Delete this account. Let's make another one with Google. Oh, directly login, picture. Nice. I got another email. Welcome to Bike Hub, your password. Okay, let's change this password. Nice. Let's check the admin panel. Oops, I'm not admin. Change it from database. I'm admin now. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Very nice. My eyes are hurting. Okay, thank you. You know what? Let's create a park. What about Alex Park location intranet? Alex Park ID 73. Let's go and create a bike. Let's call it Kimba bike. Intranet $100 image. What do you think about this? I think Kimba will like it. Let's go and rent this bike. We offer Alex Park. Ooh. Oh, I like it. Okay. $100. Wow, very expensive. I hope I have money. 2. Please rent 1 hour. Okay, so let's rent 1 hour, at least 1 hour. PayPal. Close your eyes, please. Wow, 200? I think it's worth it. Gonna be fun, right? Nice. Successful rent. Got QR code. I go tickets and take my bike. Let's see the history. Nice. Okay, bye bye. Can download the QR code. Really nice. You can also check the server using Datadog, or maybe just check the API with Swagger, or maybe with Prisma, and it is the database, or maybe count my money. Thank you guys and girls. This was Bike Hub by Ethereum Barky, Ayub, and Nox. Thank you.
Wow, that's actually really, really,
Thank
really
you.
impressive.
Thank you very much. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so thank you so much, Nax and your team, for this very, very wonderful presentation. Probably one of the nicest projects that I have seen during this review period. Not sure even
Wow,
if
that's
what
cool.
is it called? We have people in specialization right now doing their presentation, their portfolio projects also, and this might also be better than some of them, if I'm being completely honest. So this is really, really, really good.
Thank you.
Okay, so I
So
guess
much.
what we can do right now is we can open up the call to everyone else in the call. So if you have a question you want to ask this team, or you just want to give some feedback, some suggestion, feel free to raise your hand or just put it in the chat. That's totally okay. And I'm
Yeah.
sure they'll answer some
I
of
want
the
to add
questions.
one thing. I want to add one thing. Is like maybe a surprise or a gift for people that come here and watch us. So I write in the chat the website and admin panel. Use that email and password if you want to access the admin panel. And if you want to pay through the website, you can use that PayPal email. It's fake email, it's like Sandbox, and the password is Android. If you want to like experience the website, if you experience like a lag in that website, you can check the development website through that URL. Yeah. Sorry for cut you off, Alfred.
No worries, no worries. Thank you for sharing that. So if you want to look at the website, a link has been shared in the chat. You can just check that out. And they've been kind enough to share even their admin credentials, so you can look at everything, even try out PayPal, all that if you want. So this is really, really cool. I think one of the things that I love is the user interface. Very, very clean, very, very nice. And I love how this is an all-rounded system. You guys did not ignore anything. You have everything from emails, resetting passwords. You built a whole application, and that's really, really good. Can't wait to see even better projects from you guys. I honestly don't have any question. I've just been mind blown by what you guys have done.
Oh, thank you so much. That's mean a lot.
We appreciate your kind word.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Let's see. Anyone with a question or anyone with feedback they'd like to give to this team?
Come on, there's 44 people here. I
Oh,
think
shit.
Sam, Bino. Yes, go ahead. Open your mic. You can talk.
So, hello guys, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hey,
of course.
hello.
We can.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Hi, Monsef. Great website, by the way. I'm really impressed. Wow. I'm just curious of okay, people have different students have different processes of how they went ahead and did their portfolio projects. And since you have a really good website, I was really wondering what was your process? Did you go first from designing to now implementation, and then and then continue from there, or how did you guys do it? And the second questions will be just focus on the front end. What technologies or frameworks did you guys use? Thank you.
You're welcome. That's a good question. So just to make it clear, like me alone, I would never like do like this project. Was a true team work. Like it was very hard work for each of us. And one of the key that help us is three of us, each one had like a responsibility. So Echelon Barkey was focused on designing the IPE database. That's his responsibility. We don't care. Like he focused on that. Ayub, he focused on web design, and we don't care. That's his responsibility. Of course, we talk, we suggest, we share idea, and stuff like that. So to answer your question, how did it start? So first, we just follow the Alex steps that he gave us to the project, like the resource projects. They are like slowly guide us to start. the project. We designed the API database through that, and we start coding. I think when the project Trello come, then we start working on coding, and we did that through we start with the backend. We design database and API, then we jump to the front end. Ayub was already start on front end, so it was more easy to help each other on that. And me, I was focusing on setup GitHub Action and servers. So also Ayub and Mark, if you want to add something, feel free.
So much I could add, but Monsef is trying to be humble here. Like Monsef is not only set up service and something like that. He also for the backend, the payment process or the whole process payment is by Monsef. Also, Ayub sometimes in the backend. So like we are sharing the all
Ideas.
sections.
Well, that was well answered. The other question I asked was which technologies did you guys use on the front end? I'm focusing on the front end, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I will let it to
everyone-
Ayub since is
So in the front end, we use it like a framework for JavaScript or React.js. Also, we use it like a Chakra UI. It's a UI component. And also, we use it like Tailwind in the framework, framework to CSS. That is it. And also, we're using like Axios for all request HTTP. That is it. We use it in front end.
Yeah,
okay.
mostly React.js. If like visit the website, you can feel the website is smooth, and
Yeah.
think that's the power of React. You feel like
React,
you
you
are scrolling in your mobile or something. The website is not fully responsive, but you still can feel smooth. For the backend, we use Node.js, especially Nest.js. It was a new framework for us, so it was hard to learn it like a bit, but it's very powerful. Nest.js.
Okay. Thank you guys, and well done. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
Okay, I don't see any other question. Once again, big up to you guys. I especially love the fact that you guys, despite doing all of this, you also decided to learn a few new things in the process. And I'm hoping that everyone who is in the call, if you've not done your portfolio project yet, you are inspired and you've clearly seen that it's possible to learn new technologies and use them to improve your projects. So yeah, I'm hoping we get to see some equally nice projects in the future. So thank you so much, Knox.
Thank you.
Hans.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so I guess our call is going to be over now. So have a nice evening, everyone. Knox, kindly share with me the review link on
Yes.
Discord, and I will score you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So bye, everyone, and thank you so much for the wonderful
Bye.
presentation.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Bye.
much, everyone.